Hello everyone, this is Tina from Boatman. In this video, I will introduce the MK5 Act Plus, how to open the hopper, and then how to open the hook release. Power on the remote. So you can choose to open the left and the right hopper separately. Press the left hopper, it opens, or press the right hopper. And press it again, close. Or you can choose to open the left and the right in the same time. Just press the middle hopper. And again, to close it. Then here is the hook release. And then press this button. It opens. And then we can see on the remote, we can see it open too. And then press it again, it closes. Okay, thank you.